Hey everybody, welcome to the grade passback section of this course. This section is intended for people who use Canvas gradebooks and prefer to grade in Canvas and have those grades sent automatically to PowerSchool. This reduces the need for teachers to enter grades into two places, and it also alleviates some questions from parents about why is my child's grade different in your Canvas course than it is in PowerSchool. At this point in the course, you have already taken all the necessary steps to set up your PowerTeacher Pro gradebook correctly. The errors that I see usually come from errors in PowerSchool Pro. If you have not set up your gradebook correctly, please go back and start at the beginning, ensuring that you follow every step. I cannot stress to you how important that is for grade passback in Canvas to work. What you're seeing on my screen is a class that I'm borrowing from an actual teacher in CCSD. I just want to note that this is their homeroom course, and in Canvas, I am also looking at their homeroom course, and I'll be switching back and forth between PowerTeacher Pro and Canvas, and I wanted to point out that this is for homeroom. The reason I'm choosing to do this is so that I don't change any of the important data that is kept in PowerSchool. Please do this in your actual classes, in your Canvas course, and your PowerTeacher Pro gradebook. Before we begin, let's also talk about language. In PowerSchool, we edited our assignment categories. In Canvas, we're going to be working with assignment groups. These are the same thing with slightly different terms in both of the platforms. It is very important to note that your assignment categories in PowerSchool must match your assignment groups in Canvas exactly. This includes capital letters, extra spaces, and stuff like that. Let's begin. In this step, we're going to create and sync assignment groups to PowerSchool assignment categories. So watch what I do. When we're done with the video, you're going to go into yours and do this as well. Step number 1 is to match your already created assignment categories from PowerSchool to the assignment groups in Canvas. And to do that, we're going to head over to the Assignments tab. Once you're here, you're going to click on Plus Group, and you're going to match the active categories that you set up in PowerSchool Pro to Canvas. And when we say match, we mean exactly. You need to have capital M for major. Everything needs to be spelled correctly with no additional spaces. The best way to do this is to go to PowerTeacher Pro and to copy the category name. Then head back over to Canvas and paste the category name. Notice on the screen, it asked me if I wanted capital M, capital A, J-O-R, and no, I do not want that. That will not work, and this will cause errors. So make sure that your assignment group names are exactly the same. When you're ready, press Save and add the remaining assignment categories. In this example, following district recommendations, we're going to use the categories of major and minor. At this point, I have copied exactly the name of the two assignment categories from PowerSchool into assignment groups in Canvas. After you've copied the exact title of your assignment groups, you're going to click on the 3 dots over here on the Assignment tab. You may be tempted to jump in here and do Assignment Groups Weights, but remember, you have already done this in PowerSchool, and what we're about to do is this. Sync the SIS categories. So PowerSchool is going to connect those weighted categories that you have already created. On this screen, we're going to find our categories, major, and we're going to associate major with major. And remember, these need to match exactly. Then we're going to find minor, the only other category that we want to use, and match that to minor. When you're done and you have assigned all of your categories, you're going to select Sync Categories at the bottom. A green box will pop up that says that you have successfully done this. As you can see on my screen, you will have extra categories as choices within Canvas. These are coming from PowerSchool and they are inactive. You don't need to worry about these extra categories. Okay, we have completed the first step of syncing the SIS assignment categories to Canvas assignment groups.